one of the objectives of the ECA. We worked on a development project, and one of the actions is to organize training camp for our young athletes of our young nation in spring. So it's one of our first training camps in spring. We took the opportunity of this European Championship to organize it, and we want to continue to organize such training camp with our nation. So I want to thank the coach.
We have three coaches.
Three coaches who worked for this training camp. Thanks also our sport and event manager, Giovanna, who was in charge of the organization of this training camp. And of course, I wish you all to have the best success on the competition and on future competitions also. And I expect that you will come back home with great motivation to train hard and to get better and better, and maybe we will see each other at the Olympic Games on 28 or 2032. So wish you the best and see you. Thank you. And the Romanian Piteşti also. So, thank you all. From which country? Which country? Azerbaijan, Estonia, Greece, Azerbaijan, Slovenia, Estonia, Slovenia, Azerbaijan. Okay. So next time we'll try to have much more women, I think, to have a more balance and gender. So that will be our next step. And thank you again, and wish you to have a good result.